Well, we all know Justin wants to jump up and do the chicken dance for Tyler. You might just get saved today because John's brother Justin wants to do the chicken dance for you. Oh, your seatbelt's caught on your RCA. Do you want to fix that before? Just in case, you know what I mean? There you go. I hate those seatbelts that do that.